We have a 2319!
This is not a test. The following message is issued by the Federal Emergency Management Authority in coordination with California State Emergency Services. At 1437, multiple verified surveillance sources confirmed the emergence of two unidentified non-human anomalies within the San Francisco metropolitan area. Unknown entities are described as humanoid stick-like figures, exhibiting impossible movement speed, non-Newtonian motion behavior, and apparent reality distortion effects. The first has been observed generating widespread structural ignition and instantaneous material disintegration upon contact. The second appears to manipulate physical matter density, causing buildings and infrastructure to collapse without direct contact. Combined activity has resulted in catastrophic damage across downtown San Francisco, including the financial district and surrounding evacuation zones. Communication lines are partially disrupted. Civilian evacuation is in progress where possible. Do not attempt visual contact. Do not approach either entity. Standard weaponry has been confirmed ineffective. If you're within the affected zone, seek reinforced underground shelter immediately and remain silent until further notice. Emergency response units are unable to contain the situation at this time. Further updates will follow when available. This is an emergency broadcast. Stay indoors. Stay hidden.
Area. This is a 2319 in progress. The area is clear. Coming through. Watch yourself. Stand back. Careful. All clear. Situation is 990. Ready for decon.
Hey, thanks, guys. That was a close one.
Okay.